Model, 1999 Ford Mustang 4.6 volts 8 GT convertible classic Shelby body, black, saloon mileage, 91,679 engine, 4,600 cc transmission, automatic mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. There is no drive. It goes into gear but just does not move. Pretty sure the torque converter needs replacing. Nice SIM port sheet repair on one of these Grin 4.6 volts 8 GT convertible single overhead cam left-hand drive 35th anniversary limited edition with Shelby pack. This is one of 2,310 cars made in total, 260 horsepower and 302 feet lb, and sending it to the rear wheels via a 4R70W 4-speed automatic transmission. This car is one of 4